we developed this recipe in COVID on our own time.
Yeah, we were developing all kinds of recipes, weren't we? Playing around with making our own ice cream, etc. Looking yum. This is the middle, and then we'll make the shortbread crust. Sound good, buddy?
It's gonna be delicious.
Thanks, Jack.
We're making the shortbread crust. It's 2 cups of flour, half a cup of icing sugar, and a cup of butter.
Yeah.
Melted butter. Well, not melted butter.
Like softened.
Softened.
And then we get it to this consistency. It's looking really good. And then we're going to put it into this tin to bake it. So we made the dough, pressed it into our tart pan, and now what are you doing, Jack?
I'm poking holes in it.
Great, perfect. Perfect. I'll pop it in the oven.
Put it in the oven.
No, the top one's fine. Doesn't matter, actually. It's a convection oven. There we go.
And we pop the lid back up.
Yep, 350 degrees. And we're going to time it for 22 minutes. There we go.
So it's been 20 minutes. We're just getting it out of the oven. And we put it on this cooling rack.
Yeah, and we'll cool it.
And we'll cool it. So now we're putting the icing kind of thing on like the cake.
So this is your blueberry
Like
filling
filling.
that you made earlier, but it's kind of a topping, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good job. Looks amazing. And it's going to taste good because of the butter in the shortbread crust, right? On the butter. And then just spread it around to fit on. Good job.
Get all the yummy stuff out.
There you go. And now spread it. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. You did a great job cooking that. Slow and steady wins the race. Looks so pretty. And then you could put some fresh blueberries or some mint leaves in the center if you had them. Looks lovely. Push over there, maybe. Yay. Good job. And voila. Can you say voila?
Voila.